We are standing at the school premises of Saraswati Vidya Mandir Nangal Chaudhary. Today, PTM is held in this school. So, I will show you what is happening in this PTM. Let's go. Now we will see how are they being welcomed. They are being welcomed by putting holy marks on their forehead and showering of flowers. Students are not just being welcomed by holy marks or showering of flowers. They are also being welcomed by the bands played by the student. These bands are played by the student of Saraswati. After being welcomed, their particulars are written by the students here. They are handling their job very nicely. The particular like roll number, class, student and their ward's name. Now I am at the entrance and we will move inside and I will show you each and everything which is happening inside. How students are handling their job and how teachers are handling the parents. Let's come inside. Now we have entered inside and there are so many students which are handling the parents. They have made so many charts which look so much nice and they are handling them awesomely and wonderfully. There are rules which are made. There is road safety chart and more legal desks are arranged. Not only the legal desk, the projects are also prepared by the student. They are looking so awesome and so much beautiful. Not only they are making this, they are also making the teachers understand and parents understand the working of these projects. There is another legal desk here. Students are explaining them about COPTA. It means the smoking and they look at the charts. There are smoking and drinking charts here. They are explaining them not to drink and not to smoke because it is injurious to health. So now you can see there is another setup here where parents share their feedback to the students. Different questions are asked by the students to the parents to know their experience of the PTM. As you can see glimpse of this. Now let's go upstairs and see how teachers are handling the parents. Now we can see how teachers are handling the parents. They are telling them about their words, complaint and compliment. They are telling everything about their words, their performance and their progress. Let's see them. Now we are at the senior wing and now we will see how teachers of senior wing are handling the parents. Let's go inside. Now we are at the room where teachers are handling the parents. Let's see the glimpse how they are handling. Now we have reached the place where cell teachers are handling the parents. Let's see another glimpse. There is a proper arrangement for refreshment of parents also. As you can see them enjoying their refreshment. Now we are at the admin block where management are handling the parents. This is principal ma'am's office, this is director sir's office and that is chairman sir's office. We will show you some glimpse how they are handling the parents with their precious words and their explanations. We will go inside principal ma'am's office first. Excuse me ma'am, may I come? Thank you ma'am. Now we will go inside director sir's office and ask him some question. Excuse me sir, may I come in? Thank you sir. Good afternoon sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I am here to ask you some questions. May I?
Yes, please.
How many parents have you been attended so far?
Actually, as I look in the school, maximum parents are participating in the PTM, and I'm very much happy that most of the parents are coming and they are appreciating the work of the teachers and the students. So I think definitely we will increase our not only performance in the coming time, but also we will do much better in the next time also. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Now we are at Chairman Sir's office. Unfortunately, Chairman Sir is not available. But Rekha ma'am, our Honorable Vice Principal ma'am, is handling the parents. Also, parents are waiting here. Everything is going so smoothly. I have shown you everything which is happening inside. You might have enjoyed this video. Thank you and we will meet next time.